an AI agent that will funnel hack your competitor emails and give you the unfair advantage. It will tell you what your competitors are planning the strategy, what kind of plannings they are doing, what kind of marketing strategy they are doing to grow their business, so that you can use that strategy to be on the top of the game and never lose from your competitor. If you are a coach, consultant, or a service provider or knowledge entrepreneur, it is very important to know what is going on in the market so that you will always be stay ahead on that and grow, continuously increase your revenue. After doing my 4 years of working with the coaches, consultants, experts, knowledge entrepreneurs, I know what is their needs, what's their solutions they need, and I build this AI agent based on that data. Let me show you how you can build this, what this AI agent do, and how it works. Here you can see, so it hacks like I gave it in some example where I send an email from the name Nova, which is like a competitor over here, and it funnel hacked their email to understand what strategy they are planning. So in the first email here, it's saying announcing a soon to launch private school membership with an AI business, strategy early access list building via email reply, focus on practical AI tools, workflows, leveraging urgency and so what their strategy over here is early access to the list building via email reply, right? So they are like building their list using the email reply. That is their strategy, marketing strategy. What they are doing, they are launching the private school membership. Okay, so this is their first email. Now second email, AI did the research again, and what they figure out, they are sending a series of emails, right? Engagement series strategy, announcing a sequence of 5 emails in a single day with a promise of a special bonus. So that is a new strategy competitor is trying out, and this is done by the AI. So AI did the funnel hacking completely in a legal way, so we don't have to do anything. Normal funnel hacking takes so much time, but let AI do the work and we can enjoy the benefit of it. Okay, so let's see how we build that. First, we get an email from the competitor, right? So whatever your competitor email is used at, apply the filter over here so that whenever your competitor send an email, you will instantly get that email to the AI. Okay, then we have an AI agent over here and what it will do. So let me share you the prompt first. Quick look over here. So you can see basically what this AI agent do. It's a competitor funnel hacking AI agent, and its job is to analyze the competitor marketing emails, identify whether the email combines a new strategy, launch or promotion that has not already been recorded in the last 10. So basically this will do the research, check if the email that's sent by the competitor contains something new, some new strategy or some new things that need to be see, so that I can or you can get the benefit from that. Okay, it will look in the past 10 strategies, the past 10 emails or past 10 new things that your competitor did in the recently, and after on the basis of if it's the same thing, it won't give you the notification. If it's a new thing, it will give you the notification on that on Telegram. So here it like do the objective, understand the intent of the email, compare this strategy with the last 10 entries, okay, and return the results. All right, now this tool is contains few different tools. Okay, it is use the OpenAI chat model to think smart, then it is using a think tool to act more smart, right? Because I already said in the previous video as well, if you wanted to make your AI agent act more smart, you can use this think tool in the NE10. It makes it more smart because it think deeply before responding to you or before taking the further action. Okay, then on the Google Sheet here, your data will keep arranging one after the another. So you can see at this particular date, this particular time, this data came in. Then on 12th of this, the competitor did this thing and that thing, right? So you will get all the records one by one when your competitor tried which strategy, which marketing strategy, which launch they did. Okay, so you know what your competitors are doing, what they did in the past, and what strategy are they trying right now. Okay, now let me show you this with an example. What I will do, I will go and write an email. So this is the last email that I wrote. You can see over here, I am going to send 5 emails today to see the interesting candidates for the upcoming session. Okay, so let me write another one and show you how it works. Okay, so let me put the email ID here, subject line, today is the launch Okay, I'm just giving an example, but you can see this and understand. So here, hey, today I am launching my book on which I was working since last 2 years, is finally ready and contains deeper insights and knowledge about online business growth tactics that will never obsolete. Okay, this will cost just $27 if you purchase it right away. 24 hours later, the price will go up by $49. Okay, so this is like an email I just wrote with an example. So for example, consider me, this person who's writing the email, as a competitor, right? And now this email will get by the AI. AI will receive this email and AI will prepare the strategy or see, like, is this something new strategy that your competitor is doing? Is this the same old strategy that they did in the past and is nothing new? And then on the basis of that, it will tell me what is going on over here. All right. So let's see. The email is ready. I will go here, click on the test workflow and send out the email. Okay. So here the email is started running now. You see the agent is running using the chat model to understand what is going on over there, then fetching the records from here. Okay, and then using the think model to think deeply on what is going on and what is thing that need to be done and to check and not need not to check. So let's see over here in the logs. Okay, so here you can see the input first, and let also see what email we get over here. All right, then fetch records. You can see here it's fetching the all the records that we had so far. So we had 4 rows, and this was our last engagement series strategy, was our last row here, this one. Okay, so it fetched the records. Now checking with that, so let's see the output. Okay, nothing over here. Let's see in the think model, and here let's see. So the third record from June 13 for competitor Nova already documents the strategy of sending a sequence of 5 emails in one day with a special bonus for those who read all emails. The current email states I'm going to. So what happens right now? It trigger for the old email that was already out. So now I will click on test workflow again. So it triggers for the new email this time. Okay. So now it is taking the new emails, not the old one. And let's see the result that came over here. So it is running using the think model, already append the record here. So you see here the new strategy already came in. Today marks the official launch of a new book sharing deep insights and knowledge about online business growth tactics. A strategy, direct product launch announcement. Okay, and all those things. So let's see over here how this AI agent works. So first is use the AI chat model to understand the concept. Then it's fetch the records from the Google Sheet, from the old 3 to 4 records, whatever it has. Then it use the chat model again to work on those records. And then it use think model. So let's see, this is the most important thing. So the email describe launching a book focused on online business growth tactics. I need to compare this with last 10 entries for Nova. The recent entries showed involve us soon to launch a school membership group with focus of early access and an engagement email series with a reading bonus. There is no mention of a book launch in the previous email. I should confirm this a new strategy. Okay, so it means like this AI thing, last 10 strategies was not something that already similar to this one. It means competitor is now testing out something new, launching something new, trying out something new, or they are like doing some new strategy or marketing thing. Now you can use that as a strategy for yourself. So let's see on the Telegram also, did we got the response? So here you can see we already got a response. This is the new strategy. So total today marks the official launch of a new book and direct product launch announcement with emotional build up, highlighting 2 years of effort and exclusivity of insights designed to generate excitement and credibility through personal story and unique value. So you see, it analyzes the competitor email and tell it what exactly the competitor is doing. Now you can do a little bit more tweak in this email to make sure it knows, this AI agent knows more about your business, so that when it gives you the strategy your competitor is doing, it also give you what you can do with this strategy, how you can implement this strategy in your business to grow it further, right? How you can take the advantage of it and go ahead faster than your competitors, right? And your competitor will be shocked like how you know about this strategy, right? You launch and before them taking the advantage, you already like ahead from them, right? So this will completely shock your competitor, and it's completely legal to do this. It will bring your business much ahead. All right. So let's get back on our AI agent. So yes, this is how it builds. And here we have a structured output parser that makes it more structured output that contains three to four different things: competitor name, keywords that it used, notes that we have, and the date when it went out. Okay, so here what you need to understand, this AI agent will hack your funnel competitors, right? So if you have one competitor, two competitors, three competitors, you can simply use this same agent for all of those, right? Just make sure you trigger this email for those competitor emails, and this will completely build up your strategy so that you will stay ahead in your game. If you wanted to build this, if you wanted to learn how you can build this from scratch, if you wanted a video on that, you can let me know. And if you are interested to know the 5 AI agents that will instantly save you the time, that will help you to instantly increase your business growth, right? You can sign up from the email form. You can fill the form in the link below in the description, and I will send you that ebook for free. Plus, if you wanted to learn more about this kind of AI automations, these kind of AI agents, you can subscribe to my channel. I will show you, keep coming up with this kind of agents, automations, AI tools that will help you to grow your business, save more time. And you know, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you came into the business so that you can save more time. But ultimately what happens, people is stuck in a loop where they spend more time in their business instead of saving time so that they can enjoy their life. I am here to help you use the AI so that you can get your life back. You can do more thing, enjoy your life more, and spend less time on the business, but still grow your business more. All right. So I will see you in the next video. Hope you like this video. If you like, just click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Goodbye.